21 days from now, you will either be the same man reading this or someone completely different. The choice is already forming, right now, in this exact moment. Most men will close this video and change nothing. A few will not. The question is which one you are.
You already know what zero discipline feels like. It is the alarm you silence without thinking. It is the workout you skip because you are too tired. It is the goal you set in your head last month and forgot by the next morning. This is not weakness. This is what happens when no one ever taught you how discipline is actually built. It is not a personality trait. It is a skill. And like any skill, it has to be trained.
Look honestly at the last 21 days of your life. What did you actually build? What habit did you strengthen? If the answer is nothing, that is not a life sentence. That is information. It tells you exactly where you are starting from, and it tells you that the next 21 days can be completely different if you decide right now to make them different.
Stop waiting for a version of yourself who feels ready. That man does not exist yet. He is built, not found. Iron will is not something you are handed. It is forged through discomfort, repeated on purpose, day after day, until your mind stops negotiating with you.
This starts small. Wake up at the same time every single day, even on the days you do not want to. Do the hardest task first, before comfort has a chance to talk you out of it. When your mind says stop, that is exactly the moment you continue. Discipline is built in that exact second, not before it and not after it.
Days 1 through 7 will feel difficult because your mind is still fighting the old pattern. Days 8 through 14 will feel uncertain because change never feels stable while it is happening. But days 15 through 21 are where something shifts. The resistance grows quieter. The actions that once felt impossible start to feel normal. This is not motivation. This is identity rebuilding itself through repetition.
You do not need to be perfect for 21 days. You need to be consistent. Missing one day does not end this. Quitting does. The men who build real discipline are not the ones who never struggle. They are the ones who return, again and again, no matter how many times they fall. In 21 days, you will not be the same man. Not because of one dramatic moment, but because of hundreds of small decisions that no one else ever saw. That is how iron will is actually made. Quietly, consistently, without applause. So decide right now. Not tomorrow, not Monday. Today is day 1. Choose the one hard action you have been avoiding and do it in the next 10 minutes. 21 days from now, the man you become will thank you for starting today instead of waiting one more day to begin.